Gentlemen, welcome Elaine Stoner.
The best gift that I ever got didn't really weigh a lot. It didn't have a ribbon round, and it sometimes made a terrible sound. The best of all, it seems to me, it wasn't neath the Christmas tree. And yet, I guess I'd have to say that it made all the other presents twice as gay. The best gift that I've ever known, I'd always wanted most to own. Yet in my dreams of sugar and spice, I never thought it could be so nice. The best gift that I'll ever get was sometimes dry and sometimes wet, was usually pink but oftentimes red, as it lay so innocently in its bed. The best gift of the year to me, the one I'll hold most dear to me, the gift that simply drove me wild was a time